Hello everyone, how are you? I hope you're all doing well. Today we are going to learn about the architecture of SASE, Secure Access Surface Edge. Let's get started. In here I have drawn architecture, okay, architecture SASE. SASE it means Secure Access Surface Edge. It is very important for you if you want to create or you want to design your communication between your headquarter office to the branch office safely. Okay, I will give you imagination like this. This is your headquarter office, and in here you have a branch office, and you want to design how to communicate between this safely, and the way for making this communication safely, you have to use SASE, Secure Access Surface Edge, because if you still use traditional concept and it is not efficient for your communication and it needs a high cost to design this, to implement it, this traditional concept. But in here I will give you the way for your communication efficient, low cost and high performance. And in here you can see SASE architecture, and the basic of SASE media of the SASE using internet. So if you have branch office in everywhere location, your branch can access to your headquarters safe, faster and safely. Okay, you can see in here this is internet, and if you have workers in any location, so your workers can access database through internet, and your workers can set up, can do anything through internet without your worker have to visit to your headquarters. No need. Your worker just open their laptop and connect it to internet, so your workers can do set up anything in your database. And in here you can see secure access, secure as a service, and it makes anything in your database still safe. No ransomware can enter to your database. And this is network, as a service, and this is your branch office, and this is your workers. Okay, I will explain you step by step. And the concept of the SASE is security and network secure. Okay, the big component of SASE is security and network. You have to remember concept of the SASE. Starting from internet, for example, browsing, SaaS, EAAS, private cloud. This analogy you can imagine it is a destination. It is your destination. If you want to visit to office, shop, mall, or residence. Okay, this is your destination. Okay, and security as a service, it means secure services. You can imagine security in the Get Mall, and they have job to check anything before enter to mall. Okay, this is people security to check anything before entering to the mall. Okay, you can imagine this. This is a very simple. And network as a service, you can see in here. This imagination like a Google Map or Waze, and this application give you the best route with low cost and faster. Okay, network as a service, it means, or you can imagine like a Waze or Google Map. This application give you the best way go to your destination. And for example, and this is many ways, and the function of this application will choose the best way of this. Maybe Google Map will give you suggestion through this way, because in here any accident or in here any traffic jam or others reason. Okay, and next, secure ads and secure remote worker. Secure ads, you can imagine it likes a branch office, and for secure remote worker likes people who doing access from other location. Okay, people do remote control. I hope you understand the concept of SASE. and then I will give you explanation the component of every in this blog. Internet, you can see in here private cloud, and then IaaS, SaaS, and browsing. Private cloud, it means you have server or anything. This item is your own. Okay, this is private cloud, and you have host, and then you can control all of this. Okay, and for IaaS, infrastructure as a service, infrastructure as a service, it means you just rental this house. This house is your own, but for IaaS, infrastructure as a service, you just rental this house. And for SaaS, software as a service, it means you just using this application, apps, mobile. Okay, private cloud, it means you have this own, but for IaaS, you just rental this house, and as SaaS, you just click application without you have to have house or anything. Okay, I hope you understand the differences between private cloud, IaaS, and SaaS. Whereas browsing, it means you can browse from any application, for example, Chrome, Firefox, Safari, and extra. Okay, all of these components in internet. Next, if you want me to explain the components of this security as a service, network as a service, and the last one, you can comment on below this video. I think enough for this explanation. If you have any question, you can comment on below this video. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share this video to your friends. See you next time, and goodbye.